Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to show you how you can withdraw your money from Exness forex broker. Now I think most of you had difficulty in withdrawing money. Now this is the video which is going to be helping you out, show you the steps you must follow in order to withdraw your money from any other broker, even if it's not Exness. But this video is specifically to show you how to withdraw money from Exness forex broker. Now without wasting time, for those who haven't subscribed to our channel, this is the right time you must hit that like button and also subscribe, plus commenting down the description what you have learned from this video. Okay, now I've already opened my account of Exness. I've already logged in. Now first, number one thing you must consider is the payment method you used when you are depositing your money. Now this payment method you used when you are depositing money, it is the same payment method you must use when you're withdrawing your money. First, in my last video I told you that there is payment method of mobile money for those who are specifically from Uganda. There is Skrill, there is Bankwire, there is Netela, and Perfect Money. Now if I used mobile money depositing on my account, that means this is the same payment method I must use when I'm withdrawing my money. Why? It's among the terms and conditions we offer for you guys. Now if you would like to use another payment method, here's a trick. Make sure that you withdraw all the money you used in the first payment method. If you use the mobile money depositing on your account, make sure that, let me say you deposited $100 using mobile money, which was your first payment. That means you must use mobile money again to withdraw the $100. Then if you are to fund your account, and then like the next time, use either Skrill or Bankwire or any other option to deposit on your account. Still, you must follow the terms and conditions. When you're withdrawing, you can't withdraw to mobile money. Your withdrawal will be cancelled or not processed. The system will automatically send to you a message contacting you or directing you to use the same payment method you used for depositing. Now without wasting time, that was just a minor issue, but I was trying to explain it because most of the people, they fail to withdraw money from brokers. Why? They use different payment methods when they are depositing and when they are withdrawing money. Now when you log into your account, this is my dashboard as you see. So after, let me say, I've already made profits, we just come and click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, wait for the website to load and bring for you options you're going to use. Now you can clearly see that I have my mobile money account number plus the option. So other options are here. You can see Skrill, Netela, Perfect Money, Web Money, one bank wire transfer. I hope we are together. Now there's also a transfer between inner accounts. This is another problem where most traders find difficult. When you have like two different accounts in one broker, that means you need to transfer your money. And let me say you have an account of $1,000 on your MT4 account, but you have another inner account inside that trading website. So that means if you have made like profits of $100, you're going to make an internal transfer, remove the $100 and send it to another account which doesn't have any other money. So that's what they call internal transfer between inner accounts. Now if you focus on this payment methods, you can see I use mobile money. Provider processing, it works 7 days, which means today it is a Sunday, I can also process a withdraw and I receive my money. That's why if you're in Uganda, I would recommend you to use mobile money. Another instant or suitable payment method I can recommend you to use is Skrill. Skrill is also another suitable payment method we can advise you to use, but you have to wait for maximum 1 to 2 days for you to receive your money. Then after doing that, I'm going to click on the account I used to deposit, which is my mobile number. Then after, they will ask you to put the money in UGX here. Let me say I'm going to use this account to withdraw. Then you have to put in the amount here in UGX, if it is 1 million or, but it will be displayed in US dollars. Now the amount, let me say I want to withdraw $10. Now $10, that means it is around 38,162 UGX. Then after, you're going to click continue. You click continue. So after clicking on continue, remember the amount I've entered at the moment, I don't have a lot of money to compare to the amount of money I've entered, but here I'm trying to show you the steps you're going to follow. Now after clicking on continue, they are going to take you to a processing confirmation of you putting a pin. Now there is a code they send you on your phone. After you being confirmed, after you confirming that you want to make a withdrawal. So there is a code they try to send you on the SMS. After sending the code, it's what you put in. Then after your withdrawal can be processed. Now after your withdrawal being processed, you're going to wait between 1 to 5 minutes. You will have received your money. So that's how fast Exness is when you are trying to deposit or withdraw your money. So if you haven't subscribed, or if you haven't opened up your account with Exness, after watching this video, we recommend you to hit the link in the description and sign up with Exness, plus liking this video and also commenting down in the description and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for those who have made it to the end of this video. I think you have good value from the information or knowledge I've tried to share with you. We meet in another video.